Namaste people, welcome back. This video is all about going to be the long skirts which I ordered from Meesho. I ordered 10 long skirts. Let's not make any further delay. Let's get into this video. These are the long skirts that I have ordered from Meesho. So let's open each and everything and let's discuss about them. Guys, this is our first skirt. Let's open this. Okay. I ordered long but I got this like 3/4 length. But the color and the print is same as shown in the image. It is a pleated skirt and the material is crepe. So this is the skirt that I have got for just 267 rupees because I prepaid it, but if you opt for COD you're gonna get it for 282. I expected it to be a little lengthy, but I got it till calf length only. The mentioned length in the description is ankle length, but it is not of ankle length as you can see. But this looks cool and the material mentioned is crepe, and yes, I received the skirt in the same crepe material. This is our second skirt. Do you see this? How pretty this is? Really so vibrant. Next, this is also a multicolor skirt, and this is one of my favorite skirts which I have brought from Meesho till now. This I got for 300. This one I got for 321 rupees, but if you opt for COD, you'll get it for 330. I told you, right, the advantage of multi skirt is like you can pair it in a number of ways, because how many colors that are present in the skirt you can pair it with. That many colored crop tops, ribbed t-shirts, camisoles, tank tops, shrugs, anything like that. So this is how I styled. This is our next skirt. So this is the one. Wow, the flare is so good. So this is a pleated skirt which is of ankle length. I'm actually, it's more than ankle length according to my height. And the material mentioned is crepe, and yes, it is a crepe material, and I got it for just 272, but if you prepay it, you'll get it for just 262. So next skirt. Wow. You see, did you see this belt? How pretty, right? Now this is my favorite skirt among all the skirts which I have bought till now. See this cheetah print, it is also called as the animal print. They also gave this belt to define your waist. See, this is really the amazing skirt which I have got, and the material mentioned is georgette, and yes, I got it in georgette material. It is flary and so comfortable. I got it for just 326 rupees, but the actual mentioned price is 336. This is our next skirt. The color is so vibrant and has good flair. If you can see, it's so beautiful. But basically, I'm a kind of person who loves this floral print, flowy, such kind of vibe, and this absolutely suits my vibe. And the mentioned material is crepe, but I have received this in georgette. But I love georgette more than crepe. And the best part is I got this skirt for just 321 rupees. But if you opt for COD, you will get it for 330 rupees. This is our next skirt. This is a navy blue skirt. You see this belt? Pretty, right? And they provided this skirt with the lining until half of the skirt. So here comes our next skirt, that it is floral skirt. Actually, I have ordered it in black color, but I received it in navy blue. But this is also fine with this, and the extra advantage is that they gave this belt instead of, see, if you want to highlight your waist, you add some belt or some accessories to your waist, right? Instead of that, they already gave this belt, which is so pretty, and it is not looking cheap. When you wear it, it's looking beautiful. I've got this skirt for just 295 rupees because I have prepaid it. But if you wanna opt for COD, it's gonna be 312 rupees. This is our next skirt. You know, wrap up skirt, people said wrap up skirt, right? You see how big and how beautiful it is, right? Guys, this is the first wrap skirt that I have in my closet. I have been thinking from so many days that I have to buy this one, but finally I got one. So I got it in blue color, and it is of ankle length, and especially it is made of cotton, absolutely perfect for summers. And you know what? I got it for just 311 rupees. But if you prepay this, you'll get it for just 302, and it is absolutely worth. These are next skirts. Okay, satin one. Let's open this first. Pretty, right? Really, I've been thinking about this satin skirt since very long, but finally I got my hands on this. I got it for just 265 because I prepaid it, but if you opt for COD, you're gonna get it for 280 rupees. Even though you're gonna get it for 80 rupees, but I'm not so much satisfied with this skirt because the mentioned color was brown, but I received it in a golden shade. You can see there is no link between this brown and this golden shade which they have mentioned. I don't know. I don't feel satisfied with this skirt. But you say, how is it looking? Multicolor. And this is also a pleated skirt. There were those pleated skirts that I have bought that didn't contain any lining in them. Next comes this beautiful multicolored skirt. You see, right, the color combination is so highlighting. The advantage of multicolored skirt is that you can go with a different colored tops. So the best thing I got with a green color one. See, black, white, very common, right? I wanted to try little different, so I got with green color one. This skirt I have got for just 313 rupees. I felt it is worthy. And but if you opt for C body, you'll get it for 330. So here comes our next skirt that is in red color. They mentioned the fabric is crepe, but actually it's not crepe. It's actually georgette. So beautiful. It's a pleated skirt and it's of ankle length. And the best part is I got it for just 280 rupees. That's it. So guys, that's all for this video. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button and like, share.